You're trying to set up your HP Smart app and it's giving you unnecessary trouble. Don't worry, this is actually a really common issue, and the good news is it's actually fixable in just a couple of minutes. Most of the time, the app just needs a quick repair or reset to get things working again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix issues with your HP Smart app so you can get your setup working smoothly. Or if you need extra help along the way, you can call the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, click on the Start button on your computer and type HP Smart in the search bar. Once the HP Smart application appears in the search result, simply click on App Settings. After that, you need to scroll down until you find the Reset section. Under the Reset section, you'll see two different options. The first one is Repair and the second one is Reset. First, try clicking on Repair to start troubleshooting any problem with the app. Once repair is done, open HP Smart application again and check if your problem is now resolved. If the repair option didn't fix the issue, don't worry. Go back to the same app settings page and this time click on Reset. Now, open the HP Smart application once again and check if it resolves your problem. The Reset option usually fixes most issues. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.